We found a bird covered in oil on Benson Beach in southern Washington. The news picked this story up because at least 7 have been found in the area, and they don't know the source of the oil spill. So to start out, we were just hanging out on Benson Beach, visiting Cape Disappointment. I was taking one of my regular boring snoring videos, and here it is.
Ah, it's a double rainbow! Oh my god! It's a double rainbow! Ah!
When Mel was walking along the beach and she noticed that there was a log and it was hitting this tiny little bird every time that the waves rolled in. So she rushed out to see if there was an issue, and we soon realized that the bird wasn't able to fly. After a little coaxing, she was able to capture the bird. We later learned that birds like this aren't able to walk on land.
Oh. What is it? Oh, well, I don't know. Just put it up here. Let it dry out.
We were super sad to see that it was covered in oil all over its belly. We placed the bird down in the sun, hoping it could dry out while we decided what to do next. We didn't have really good cell phone service, so we finally landed on walking out and trying to contact the ranger or a wildlife rescue. And while we were waiting, I got a video of the bird to share and a photo.
Are you all covered in oil? Covered in oil. Yeah, look, show me that oil belly. Show me that oil belly. Yeah, you got oil all over.
So here's the photo I took just to share with the wildlife rescue to identify the bird.
Should we give him a name? Yeah. Should we call him Oilando? He's like, hi, buddy. We're gonna get you safe. Okay, do you want to pick him or do you want me to?
The wildlife rescue let us know that it would be best to capture the bird because if he went back in the water, he could drown or even freeze overnight. They also let us know that it was a common murre, and at this point, another one had been found.
It's okay. You're okay. You want the towel? Yeah, will you? Okay. Got you. Hi, bud. Got you. Look at that beautiful sunset. Okay. Let's get you Waboyodle. Oilando. Oilando, get it? Okay. Let's go get you some help. Yeah, we're gonna go in the TARDIS and we're gonna get you some help. He just said nerds. He said we're nerds. Yeah. It's okay. You're okay. Your first car ride. Let's go.
So we got Mel and Oilando back in the cabin, and he's doing okay. He's calm. You doing okay, Oilando? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get you some more.
Heroes.
No, you're so close.
You got
He's in
picked
good
up.
shape.
You're gonna get a bath and feel so
What?
much
What's the
better.
name of the wildlife
It's
refuge?
of the Peninsula Wildcare.
Yeah, there you go.
Hi, sweetie.
So that gentleman was Bill. He's an awesome volunteer at Peninsula Wildcare. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. And if this video makes any money, we'll be donating that as well. Really good news. The first of the birds have been released. So I also wanted to add that we learned a lot while doing this process. And one of the really important things we learned is that these birds really need a lot of rehabilitation before they're released. So if you do ever find a bird in danger, contact your local wildlife rescue or ranger to help with that process.